Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable dark mode on your Google Play. So, if the theme in your Google Play is dark mode and you want to change it or disable it and change into the light mode, you can just go to your Play Store. As you can see, my Google Play now is in dark mode. You can just click on your profile icon at the top and click on settings and then choose the general settings, and you'll find the theme option. You can just click on this and change it or shift it into light. To disable the dark mode, you can just click on light here, and then just like that, the dark mode has been disabled in your Google Play. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.